Hi, I'm Dave, and I help businesses get the best out of technology. So if you're struggling and you think you've outgrown your IT, you're looking for a new IT provider potentially, there's a few things that I can offer you that will really help. First of all, I've got an ebook I've written. It's like 90 pages of what to ask, how to discover who you should work with, this kind of stuff. I recommend downloading it. You should be able to find a link below, and that will really help focus your thinking. Or you can have somebody come in, like me as a consultant, and do some analysis to see who you need to work with. But you can also not throw the baby out with the bathwater. You could have maybe a fractional part-time IT director come in to deal with the cyber and the AI and BIM and all that stuff if you're in construction. But what I think you do need to do, though, is look at where the business is going and what IT is doing for you. Because I see a lot of times where companies literally cycle through technology. So what they do is they get an IT provider, they replace loads of stuff, and then about 3-4 years later, they start to get a spike of IT issues, and then they change provider, and they do that for another 3 or 4 years. Or maybe go out and buy this piece of software and doesn't really deliver business value, and they go and buy this other bit of software, it doesn't really deliver business value. Because nobody's driving it really, it's just shiny syndrome. You're just picking stuff out of the air. So be aware that the problem may not lie with your IT provider. It may lie with you and the way that you're managing technology in your business. And I can help with that. I can advise you. I can take you on that journey without lots of acronyms and buzzwords, if you want. I certainly want that. So I hope that's helpful. If I can help at all, do get in touch. And I look forward to talking to you. And if we work together, generally I'll try and just do something so we can see how we work together for free. And then we can take it from there. Get in touch. Speak to you soon.